Hello, today we are going to train your English voice with the prepositions in, at, and on. Prepositions refer to an object's position, so where the object is. Sentence 1. The cat is in the tree. So the object or subject in this sentence is the cat. Where is the cat? It's in the tree. It's telling us the cat's position. Sentence 2. The postman is at the door. The postman is the object or subject in this sentence. Where is the postman? He's at the door. It is telling us his position. Sentence 3. The ball is on the roof. The ball is the object. Where is the ball? It's on the roof. Now we know the object's position. Let's have a look at this. The lemon is in the container. So it is telling me the object's position. It's in the container. Where is the lemon? It's at the container. It's not in, it's at the container. Where is the lemon? The lemon is on the container. That is the position of the object. Excellent job with prepositions. Well done. Goodbye.